I'm Stephen Haddad, and I'm a board-certified ocularist. Ocular Prosthetics is a clinic specializing in the fabrication and fitting of prosthetic eyes. So it became a dream of mine to create an institute-style practice in which we have several ocularists working in one group. We're a team, and in this artistic world, it provides a distinct benefit to the patient.
I've been working at Ocular Prosthetics for 10 years. I feel very fortunate to have a career like this because it enables me to give back to those in need, and that's always been a very important thing to me. Understanding where a person is coming from is very important. It allows me to give compassion and empathy in a time when somebody might need it the most. It's nice to create a bond with patients, and especially with children, because I get to watch them grow up.
We do service patients globally. Our website is a great source for information, and as a result, many patients from other countries have seen our work on our website.
People will drive very long distances and travel just to come and see us because we provide an excellent service.
Throughout our years of experience, we've worked hard to develop techniques to provide the most natural look for our patients. It's not scientific, it's art. I've seen people just come to life once they see their prosthesis for the first time. Tears of joy, big smiles. To see the look on their face, I actually feel spoiled to be able to do this work.
I was born with a cataract. I didn't wear a prosthetic when I was younger until I was in middle school. I decided that it was time to get a prosthetic because I was wearing my hair in the front of my face, and it was really hard for me because everybody would ask me all these different types of questions. Once I got my prosthetic, I gained a lot of confidence, and now even without my prosthetic, I have that confidence.
When I was 11 years old, I was diagnosed with iris melanoma, and at first my doctors just thought it was a matter of just removing the melanoma that was in the iris, but then they realized that the cancer had spread throughout the eye, which led me to having the need of a prosthetic. But ultimately, I was able to get through it, and I was very fortunate enough to be able to come here to Ocular Prosthetics and have Stephen work on my eye.
I was a victim of a crime, and my left eye was basically cut through or cut out. The moment I came in, Dr. Stephen Haddad just made me feel like home. When I started seeing his daughter, Sarah, it became even more of an impact because it was like we were sisters.
Being able to feel comfortable and safe to be able to take out my eye and not feel like someone's going to be looking at me in a weird way just makes me feel good, makes me feel accepted, and it makes me feel safe.
I'm just super happy. I can wear my hair out of my face and be confident all the time, so that's good for me. I would say the biggest compliment that I get all the time is, "Oh my gosh, your eyes are so beautiful, they're so this," and I feel proud to tell people "Oh, well, I have a prosthetic and this is who did it for me, and he did an awesome job."
Working at Ocular Prosthetics is really special because we're a team and some of us are family.
It's that focus on quality and that focus on excellence and being there for the patient, not just having a business, but really being there. What drives me on a daily basis is coming in and not knowing what I'm going to be faced with, but I know that that person has come here because they expect a lot, to bring back that wholeness that they want to feel, to bring back confidence. I really feel blessed to have the ability to do it, and I just love it.